Hello friends, and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which helps us in printing spiral ordered traversal of a binary tree. First, let us take an example. As you can see, the spiral ordered traversal of this tree is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is going in a spiral fashion from top to bottom. Now, let us see the algorithm which will assist us in printing in a spiral fashion. The idea is to use two stacks. We can use one stack for printing from left to right and the other stack for printing from right to left. In every iteration, we have nodes of one level in one of the stacks. We print the nodes and push nodes of next level in the other stack. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. First, we create two stacks. Here, stack 1 is for printing levels from right to left and stack 2 is for printing levels from left to right. First, we push the first level into stack 1. That is, we push the root node, which is 1 in our case, into stack 1. Now, since stack 1 is not empty, we enter the outer while loop. As we enter the while loop, we print nodes of current level from stack 1 and push the nodes of next level to stack 2. Since stack 1 is not empty, we enter the first inner while loop. As we enter the loop, we assign a new variable temp to the top element of stack 1. So, temp will point to 1. Next, we pop the element from the stack 1 and print it. So, 1 is popped and printed. Now, we push the right and the left child of temp into stack 2. First, the right child is pushed, followed by the left child. The right child of 1, which is 3, is pushed first into stack 2. Next, we push the left child of node 1, which is 2, into stack 2. Since stack 1 is empty, we come out of the first inner while loop. Next, as stack 2 is not empty, we enter the second inner while loop. We print nodes of current level from stack 2 and push nodes of next level to stack 1. As we enter the second inner while loop, we assign the top element of stack 2 to temp. So, temp will point to 2. Next, we pop the top element from the stack and print it. Hence, 2 is popped and printed. Now, we push the left and the right child of temp, which is 2, into stack 1. Note, the left child is pushed before the right. So, the left child of 2, which is 7, is pushed into stack 1. Now, the right child of 2 is pushed, which is 6. Since the stack 2 is not empty, we continue with the inner second while loop. Now, temp will point to 3. Again, we pop 3 from stack 2 and print it. Next, we push the left child of 3, which is 5, into stack 1. Then, we push the right child of 3, which is 4, into stack 1. Since stack 2 becomes empty, we come out of the inner second while loop. Since stack 1 is not empty, we continue with the outer while loop. As stack 1 is not empty, we enter the first inner while loop. Now temp will point to 4, which is the top element in stack 1. Next, we pop 4 from the stack and print it. Since left and right child of 4 is null, nothing is pushed into the stack. We continued with the first inner while loop. Now temp will point to 5. Again 5 will be popped and printed. Since left and right child of 5 is null, nothing is pushed into the stack. We continue with the first inner while loop. Now temp will point to 6. 6 will be popped and printed. Since left and right child of 6 is null, nothing is pushed into the stack. We continue with the first inner while loop. Now temp will point to 7. 7 will be popped and printed. Now stack 1 becomes empty, so control will come out of the first inner while loop. Also, stack 2 is empty, so second inner while loop is omitted. Since both the stack are empty, the control will come out of the outer while loop as well. And we have the final level order traversal in spiral fashion. Now, let us have a look at the time complexity of the program. This code will run in big O of n complexity. Here, n are the number of nodes in our tree. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.